Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So please, if you are an old subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I would like to show you how I'm able to make these butterfly locks using the spring twist I created in my previous video. I showed you how to make this spring twist. So if you haven't watched it, please don't forget to watch it. So we are going to be creating these butterfly locks using this spring twist I made for myself. Yeah, so I'm just basically unraveling the spring twist, because when I created it in such a way that one spring twist can be able to like fit for two locks if I want to use it for locks purpose or any other kind of purpose. I made it big, so I just shared it, and I'm going to use this extension to fill the inside and then my spring twist for the outside. I'm just going to tie a knot on the rope and use my extension, that's my spring twist, to wrap around the kinky. I don't know if you get. So I'm just basically tying it to get a knot, like to get the space which I'm going to use to make my crochet, so I can be able to fix it in my hair. So I'm just using my extension, my spring twist, to wrap around the kinky. Just basically wrapping around, going around, turning over, making sure it's not too tight and not too loose. Don't know, not too soft and not too loose. Just putting it in the medium way and just wrapping it around, basically just turning over it, basically creating my loop. As you can see, it's my thumb. Many people don't like creating it with their thumb. You could use any other material to create your loop. You could use comb to just pick it out, but I didn't want to go for so much of a messy loop, so I wasn't creating my butterfly on every turn I make. So I just basically made it on some parts, but if you want it to look very messy, you can do the same. So I'm also going to be using my kinking to wrap at the end. When you get to the end, just fold it up and keep on wrapping, turn it up, and that's just basically how to make this crochet. You don't need to use a gum like I did here. I didn't use any gum to seal the ends, and I'm telling you, it's going to last. It's actually going to last. Yes, just look at it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel by this time, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Hit on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a video or any hair tutorial on craft or any of my videos. Please don't forget to hit on the notification bell, subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you. And also, if you haven't watched the previous video on this, how to be able to create your spring twist, please don't forget to do that, because you're not going to be able to get how to create it when I'm already using that spring twist now to make our butterfly look. So don't forget to watch that video. Thank you. Do well to understand the video. I'll be leaving you guys to watch the rest. I hope the rest is like self-explanatory. I think I basically explained what happened at the beginning. So thank you.